Hey, it's Cars Week, and today we will be reviewing Taco. He's got his artwork, like metal. He's fixed our cars, his name tag. Then when we come in the back, he's got Fabulous Lightning McQueen, Car Street Bob Cutlass, Hot Rod Smokey, Blind Spot, Tom W, and Taco himself. He's got all the random stuff made in Thailand. Now let's open him up. He is, so he's smiling. He's got his grill, his lights that are all knocked out. On the black stripe. On the roof, he's got on the roof he's got number 4. He's got his back shoes for black. He's got number 4 again. He's got his wheels got orange on his wheels. Aligned in them. Towards towing Co 555-01-124. Yeah, he just got that. It just the back that's been all up. Yeah. And so, yeah, that's it for today's video. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.